So I'm Alfie Adamson. I'm the Senior Research and Insights Manager here at Social Chain. We're a full-service social media agency working with the biggest brands in the world. And we're now a collective of over 250 people with 5 offices around the world. This presents us as one of the largest social media agencies in the world. Previous provider wasn't as user-friendly as NetBase Quid, and it offers us easier use in terms of Boolean searching. This allows more of our wider team to access and easily gather insights on brands we work with or are pitching for us. And the reasons we use NetBase is to gather brand insights on how people are talking about a particular brand online, what products are the most popular within the category, the impact of a particular campaign on how people are communicating on a Facebook page and what their sentiment towards the brand is, and turning unstructured data into more contextual information, which can be great for new pitches and winning business. We know we needed to access more data to keep up with the market and ensure we were keeping our clients at the forefront of what is possible, which is why we partnered with NetBase Quid. We ran with a well-known soft drink brand, have been a success all around the UK. So defining and measuring that success and the return on investing spend is obviously hard to determine. So we benchmarked their huge campaign to show which campaign elements should stay and which should perhaps need improvement. So we also gave key takeaways and learnings for our future campaigns. Our audience profiling reached a broad demographic with their interests covering a range of things such as music, shopping, sports and food and drink. The main aim was to reach 98% of the nation 27 times. So we have aimed to quantify this measure in NetBase, and we worked out that there were 1.5 billion impressions through their campaign, and that wouldn't have been possible to track without NetBase Quid. So by using NetBase Quid, we were able to see which brands were using emotional language around the current pandemic well and which weren't. We found that there were a number of different brands within the top 1,000 brands, which we've analysed previously, and which were using this type of emotion more than others. BMW were really well positioned in their story of now, so they were really pushing that urgency across. Ford, they were really good on their story of self. Why were they called to serve? They were called to serve to produce face shields for US workers in hospitals. And also the story of us was Sam's Club, which is a retailer in the US, and they were really transparent in the way they pushed their community and the employees that they work with, and they thanked them in a social video. And we found that to be highly engaging for their particular brand. We've been improving the output of our research because of NetBase Quid, and this is having an impact on the quality of our case studies, which is in turn helping us to win more business.